What's going on, gardeners? Today I'm going to share with you the simple technique to get your seedlings started off on the strongest of starts. And as you can see, the answer is literally a fan. So having a fan brush over your seedlings, you can see it helps to move them, and it helps to strengthen the stems of all of your seedlings. This will especially work if you have slightly leggy seedlings too. Like you can see this tomato over here, it has a slightly longer stem than the rest, so having a fan brush over it will help to strengthen that stem up and will prevent it from falling over. But really, this fan also helps to acclimate any of your seedlings or even overwintering plants back out into the elements, such as what it will experience, wind outside. But also, having a fan helps to prevent anything like damping off disease, because it helps to circulate air throughout and brushing over all of the seed cells. And this will help to reduce the humidity. As you can see, as soon as I turned on the fan, it dropped from about 53% to 43% humidity, and having this fan will also help to prevent your seedlings from being overwatered, because it will help out to dry out the soil surface. And another benefit of using a fan is, as I alluded to earlier, you won't have to really harden off your seedlings. So subscribe if you want to see my one-step process that nobody ever talks about to hardening off seedlings, which I have done for, this will be my 4th year in a row of just hardening off seedlings, doing one step and one step only. So you do not want to miss out on that. But also, if you want to see how I did all this and all the seed starting essentials that you need to have so you get your seedlings best off on the best of starts, you need to check out this video next, which will show you all the seed starting essentials. The fan is just a bonus, but there are some essentials that you need to keep in mind.